In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Chrome on your MacBook. First, you want to head over to the Chrome website, and I'll leave a link in the description for the Chrome website where you can download the browser. Chrome should automatically recognize that you're on a Mac, and then you want to click the big Download Chrome button. You'll get a warning message as this is an outside file from Apple. You want to simply click Allow, and as you can see in the top right hand corner, Chrome is now downloading. How long this takes will depend on your internet speed. And now it's finished, you can see this little down arrow. You can simply click this to access the Google Chrome install file, or you can come up to Go and then come to Downloads. The easiest thing is just to double click this DMG file, and you'll be greeted with this box like this. Now what you want to do is drag the Chrome here onto this folder here. So you click once on the Chrome at the top here, and then you drag it down onto the folder and then let go. Chrome will start to install on your Mac. How long this takes will depend on which MacBook you are installing it on. Once that's finished, you can X this box away, and you can X the Chrome website away. And then what you want to do, this Google Chrome file here on the desktop, you want to click it once and drag it into the bin. Now as you can see, if you come to the Launchpad, Google Chrome is now installed. And the first time you click it, it'll let you know that this is something that's been downloaded from the internet. You simply want to click Open. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to set it as default? At the moment, I don't want to do this. So I'll untick it and then press Start Google Chrome. And you've successfully installed Google Chrome on your MacBook. Now if you did want to make Google Chrome your main browser, you now want to add it to your dock. And you can simply do this by right clicking on the Google Chrome icon here and coming up to Options and Keep in Dock. And you can move it wherever you want into the dock. And you'd also want to get rid of Safari. You simply single click it and drag it into the bin. This isn't deleting Safari, it's just moving it off the dock. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, and thank you for watching.